In the quiet hills of Manimala, Kerala, a child was born, George Kannanthanam, on June 14, 1963. Raised in love, young George grew up rooted in kindness, faith, and purpose. He was full of joy, surrounded by friends, always looking out for others. From early on, he found strength in prayer and a deep desire to serve humanity. George earned his master's in social work, driven by a mission to uplift lives. He completed his PhD in sociology, graduating with a gold medal for academic excellence. As a seminarian, George co-founded the Hope Anti-Addiction Action Group. He walked through slums and streets, spreading awareness, building hope for the addicted and broken. The movement grew, led by youth, igniting a revolution against addiction. He was ordained a Catholic priest, dedicating his life to the poorest and the forgotten. At Jalahalli, he built the magnificent St. Thomas Church, a beacon of faith and heritage. Later, he served at St. Alphonsus Church, bringing together hearts and rebuilding hope. Transferred to Sumanahalli Society, he stepped into a new world of leprosy and abandonment. He listened to their stories, embraced their pain, and became their family. At Sumanahalli, he served leprosy patients with dignity, washing wounds and rebuilding lives. He launched at the Addiction Center in Belgaum, giving alcoholics and drug users a second chance. He even opened a school for children with HIV parents, giving them books, joy, and a future. His book, The Nest, captured the spirit of Sumanahalli's ambassadors and stories of hope. He received national honors for his service, but remained humble, always serving the least. And then, he launched Project Vision, a bold mission to bring light to the blind. Blind Walk, the world's largest walk led by the blind, inspired thousands to pledge their eyes. Through eye camps and hospitals, he gifted sight to over 8,000 through cataract surgeries. He reached rural villages like Kasapura, educating children and empowering communities. After the tsunami in Tamil Nadu, he gave 100 boats to widows and rebuilt shattered livelihoods. When a deadly earthquake hit Nepal, he built 600 shelters and homes for leprosy survivors. During the Kerala floods, he constructed 450 homes, offering new beginnings to tribal families. In crises, he always stood first, serving the sick, hungry, and helpless with open arms. During COVID-19, in memory of his mother, he launched Mother's Meal in 7 kitchens. His latest project, Project Shelter, supports the forsaken. With just 1,000 rupees a month, you can help give someone not just a home, but hope, dignity, and peace. Coming soon, Project Harmony, a haven for the elderly and destitute to live with joy again. Today, we celebrate the legacy of a living saint. Happy 63rd birthday, Father George Kannanthanam.